Hello guys, this is Michael, Sparkolity Concepts. So I want to teach you another method on how you can remove background without losing some part of the hair. Okay, we have too many methods, but I want to teach you this method, and I promise it won't take our time. So without wasting much of your time, let us dive in. Okay, so this is the image we are going to be working on. This is the image we're going to be working on. Don't mind the image quality. Okay, so first I'm just going to be fast about it. First, okay, we're going to duplicate this layer. Okay, while this is off, this is selected, go to Windows. Okay, go to properties is selected. Okay, go to where from the properties you see remove background, just click. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, fine, this is fine. So if you observe, you see that it doesn't do much of what we expected. You can see that part of the hair is not still coming out fine, but not to worry, I got you covered. We can fix this. Okay, so how to fix this? Go to select and mask, click and allow it. Fine. And from the brush, already this is selected. Make sure this is selected. Refine edge brush tool is selected. Okay, fine. And you can either increase your brush or you decrease your brush, whatever works for you. And come here to properties. Make sure you take these settings. Look at the settings. Make sure you take note of these settings. Everything here is fine. We are still coming back to this. So once this brush is selected, all you need to do is click just the edges, and see what happens. See the magic. Just the edges. Some of the hair that are not very visible is beginning to come back. You won't see it. Let's click here to remove this background. You won't see it just immediately, but trust me, part of the hair is coming back. We are regaining part of the hair. So how do we see this? Come to properties and down here decontaminate colors. Okay, let's decontaminate colors. Okay, immediately you click there, you see what happens. Immediately we click, see what happens. The amount here is, I like to keep it 100%, but use whatever works for you. Okay, if 100 is fine, then good. But for this tutorial, let's reduce it to, I think 85 is fine. Click OK. Now here is let's create to make this background look very visible. Let's create a solid color. Go to solid color, and we are going to use black. No. Okay, something this. Okay, this color is fine. Click, and let's take this up. This is our job. Before we started, it was a white background, and now we've been able to remove the background, and now we added a solid color. Here's the job. I hope you've learned something today. This is Michael, Sparkolity Concepts. Please don't forget to give me a follow, make a comment. You can also make a request, okay, on what you want me to show in my next video. Okay, whatever you would like to share with me, please put it on the comment section. Let's continue to teach ourselves. Let's continue to learn. Make sure you share this with your friends.